Here at Age Rejuvenation, we're really working to better the lives of our patients. And one of the main ways we do so is through hormone replacement therapy.
I started coming to Age Rejuvenation because I was gaining weight and my sex drive was gone.
We offer many different modalities of hormone replacement therapy. Our first and most common is pellet insertion. These pellets allow for the hormones to be absorbed as they are needed and can last anywhere from 3 to 6 months.
I had heard about the bioidentical hormone therapy, was glad to get on hormone therapy because I knew it was going to change my life.
Other modalities of treatment in regards to hormone replacement therapy include weekly injections, creams, or even sublingual troches.
After the hormone pellet kicked in, I actually had my sex drive back. I lost some weight. I was a happier person. It changed my whole life. It really has.